Hey guys, today we're at the Champion Mine. I just want to share something with you beautiful. Look at the road. Is that showing? Does that show how beautiful? This is iron hematite. I'm going to pick up some of the sand actually to take with me. It's so beautiful. The camera doesn't do it justice. It's so beautiful. Look at this. This is an iron mine where we're at today, and it's just so pretty. I'm bringing home some samples to share with y'all, and some for sale. Well, I'll talk about that later when we get back. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at it just glittering. I hope that shows. Oh, ear flies. The flies will suck you dry out here. Look at that. That's a beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that incredible? Anyway, that'll be on Michigan Prospectors. That's mostly a Michigan Prospectors week out here. So you can check that out over there. But we're going to keep looking around. It's just amazing. Incredible.